Let us see how to make a small video game by using Scratch 3. First of all, download Scratch latest version Scratch 3 and install. After that, open Scratch 3. So when you open Scratch, you will see the page like this, but here already I made one project, so the project is open, but you take a new project here. So like this page will be opened when you open Scratch. So here we are going to see a small video game making. So the name of video game is Jumping Chick. So in that Jumping Chick game, there are two sprites we are taking. One is chick and another is egg. So here this default sprite one cat is not necessary, so I am deleting it. So it is deleted. So how can we uh, take the sprites? Here at right side you can see the toolbar. So in that choose a sprite you click. So the two sprites I am taking, one is chicken, another is egg. So egg is there and chick. Chick is here. I am taking only two sprites here because I want to make a small video game, so that there will be less coding will require. So it is the beginning stage, that's why we are making a small video game. So after taking the two sprites, you can change the background. So at next you can see the toolbar. Here you choose a backdrop. So here I am taking blue sky here. Okay, so after taking backdrop, you can set the positions of the figures. Here the egg size is comparatively bigger, so I am changing the size of the egg. So how can we change the size? You click on the sprite here. So there are two sprites, one is egg and another is chick. So which sprite size you are changing, that sprite you have to select first. So I am selecting this one and I am go to costumes here. So click on costumes, then you resize the image like this. Okay, then you go to back. So here the size of the egg is decreased. So here the jumping chick game is very simple. When egg coming towards the chick and gliding the chick immediately jumping over the egg. So when chick jump over the egg, it will get 1 point, and when chick are not able to jump and when it touch the egg, it will lose the point, and the score will be uh, going to be 0. So here this is very funny game. So here the chick is jumping upward and downward, so that it will get initial position after jumping. Okay, and the egg that is moving from right side towards the left, and that is gliding the chick. So first you give coding to any one of the sprite. I am first giving the coding to chick. Okay, so here the chick coding is, you have to remember, the chick is jumping upward and downward. So here upward, that is suppose 10 steps moving upward, and 10 steps downward. So here it is moving upward and downward. So you go to motion code area, so you click on motion, so it is moving upward 10 steps and downward 10 steps. So here moving upward means that is moving on y-axis. So here actually you see the distance of the chick on x-axis minus 161, on y-axis minus 131. So when it is jumping over, when it is jumping, it will change the, it will changing its y value. Okay, so you can see here also. So when I am moving upward, it will changing its y value, and it is moving downward also, it will changing y value. So this is the y coordinate. So when it is moving horizontal, not only check any object, any figure, any sprite moving horizontally, it will change the x value, and any figure that is moving vertically, it will change the y value. Okay, so here in first coding you have to give the coding, that is the chick that is moving 10 steps upward and 10 steps backward. So you go to motion coding area and you select this one, change y by 10. So y changing, y value changing 10, because it is moving up. So up means that is moving on y axis. Again it is coming downward, so again it is moving on y axis. So here also you take this code, that is change y by 10. Okay, but here in second time that is moving down, so you give the value that is minus 10. So minus is here minus 10. Okay,